Your app just got real data. 100 users, 1,000 products. How do you store it? Arrays of objects, the shape of every real app. One friend is an object. A list of friends is an array. Combine them, array of objects. This one pattern powers users, posts, products, everything. Reaching inside, bracket the array to grab a friend. Dot the object to grab the name. Dot deeper for arrays inside. Notation stacks, as deep as your data goes. Looping. 4 of hands you one friend at a time. Now you can print, filter, or transform every single one. Same code. 1 friend or 1 million. Updating. Loop. Find the match. Push to their interests. Rename them. Objects are live references. Change one, the array updates instantly. Sort by a number. Pass a compare function. Return a -b. Ascending. Swap them for descending. One line. Perfectly ordered data. Sort by a string. Compare names. Return -1, 1, or 0. JavaScript reorders the array in place. Alphabetical, done. Chain it. Sort, then dot for each. Then log. One expression, one line, one flow. This is how pros write JavaScript. This one pattern is everywhere. API responses, React state, database rows, master arrays of objects, and you can build any app. Drop friends in the comments, like, subscribe, and hit the bell. EP12 is JSON and fetch. That's when your app talks to the internet. See you there.